Crops, concrete, and lawns, these essential industries are all in dire need of labor. However, where demand exists, opportunity follows. Coming up, we'll explore one company's quest to combat the labor shortage issue for these industries through automation. Stay tuned. Build it, and they will come. Well, sometimes they don't come, especially if you're in ag. The American Farm Bureau reports 2.4 million farm jobs need filling yearly. That's a lot of potential weed farms. However, there is hope. John Deere has reimagined air blast spraying, a demanding and repetitive task, with its autonomous 5ML orchard tractor. Critical for crop protection and designed for orchards with dense canopies, it features an advanced autonomy kit enhanced with LiDAR sensors for precise navigation and operation. Initially available with a diesel engine, a battery electric version matching the size and capacity of current 5ML models is on the way. Well, even quarries that supply those critical battery components are feeling the labor crunch. So are there any moves to go autonomous in the pit? We'll let you know coming up. But first, let's check out our premier product highlight, sponsored by Mower Electronics. Eaton's Freedom Starters and Contactors offer compact, durable designs with advanced materials for impact and temperature resistance. Available in numerous enclosures, they feature accessible coil terminals and versatile wiring options for seamless integration. Supporting overload protection up to 900 HP, they include adjustable bimetallic and electronic overload relays with interchangeable heater packs, and that helps minimize inventory needs. Snap-on accessories compatible with IEC and NEMA devices enhance functionality with auxiliary contacts and timers. Ideal for industrial applications, the Eaton Freedom Starters and Contactors provide robust performance and flexible configuration options. To learn more, head over to Mowser.com today or click the link in the description below. Reversing contactors are vital for controlling motor direction, making them indispensable for efficient and reliable industrial automation. To learn more, we present David's Corner.
Thanks, Andy. Motion control and motor control are two of my favorite topics in all of automation. And sometimes we just need really simple motor control, which we usually turn to the contactor for that job. All it does is provide on and off electricity. It can't vary the speed. It can't do all kinds of fancy torque control for a motor, but it can turn it on and off. And that's all we need for a lot of applications. Sometimes, though, we need to go one step further. Instead of just on and off, we need on and off in two different directions, or reversing control. And the way that can be accomplished is either through use of a variable frequency drive, which can be complex and expensive, difficult to set up, or we can use a reversing contactor. The way most of these work is a pair of two contactors that are connected with this reversing bus bar. This reversing bus bar has 6 contact points on it, and they come in a pair. The two in the set are not exactly the same. On the one side, we have a set of connectors that connects terminals 1, 2, and 3 of one contactor to 3, 2, and 1, the reverse order, on the other contactor. Now we turn to the opposing set of reversing contactor bus bars, and this one connects 1, 2, and 3 to terminals 1, 2, and 3 on the other contactor. And when we've assembled these two together, what this accomplishes is that terminals 1 and 3 are reversed depending on which of the contactors we energize. We do have to be really careful, though, not to energize both contactors at the same time, or phases 1 and 3 will be connected to each other, and that's a direct short. So usually we have some sort of a strategy or mechanical interlock that prevents both of these from being energized at the same time. But this is a really simple way to reverse two of the phases, which according to the fundamentals of three-phase electricity, that's how we reverse the direction of rotation for a three-phase motor. It's a really simple and genius way to be able to use two simple devices to provide just a little bit fancier control than just on and off in a single direction. Andy, back to you.
Mother Earth is an extraordinary planet. It gives us everything we need to thrive. However, sometimes you gotta go dig for it. From clothes to housing to water purification to foods we eat, everything comes from a quarry. However, transporting the essentials of life is no simple feat. John Deere's 460P tier autonomous articulated dump truck tackles the transportation challenge head on, optimizing quarry operations by efficiently handling the routine demands of material transport. Equipped with a second-generation autonomy kit, this ADT navigates the quarry to transport materials seamlessly between stages of the production cycle, elevating results. The grass may be greener on the other side, but that doesn't always mean that it's cut. That could be because an astonishing 86% of landscaping businesses lack adequate labor. That's right, 86%. However, John Deere has come up with a solution. Their autonomous battery electric mower transforms commercial landscaping by increasing efficiency when labor is in short supply. With cameras on front, sides, and rear, it achieves 360-degree coverage, enabling precise operation. Sounds incredible, and I hear it's a big hit with the kids as they finally have a bulletproof excuse not to physically mow the lawn. Leanne, I thought I told you to mow the lawn.
I am, Dad.
Spoiled brat. Hey, that does it for us. Be sure to click the link on your screen to check out our other educational, inspirational videos, and we'll see you there.